Introducing the Mark-10 MTT02-50 torque tool tester, a compact and rugged solution for testing manual, electric, and pneumatic torque screwdrivers, wrenches, and other tools. Designed for production environments, this tester offers simplicity, accuracy, and a range of productivity-enhancing features. With a torque range of 50 inch-pounds, 5.7 Newton-meters, and an accuracy of 0.3% of full scale, the MTT02-50 is ideal for testing a wide range of torque tools. Its universal 3/8-inch square receptacle accepts common bits and attachments, making it compatible with various tools. The MTT02-50 features a high-speed sampling rate of 7,000 Hz, ensuring reliable and consistent test results. It also includes memory storage for up to 1,000 readings, allowing you to store and review data easily. The tester also features USB, RS-232, Mitutoyo, and analog outputs for versatile data transfer options. The MTT02-50 comes with MTT light data acquisition software, enabling you to tabulate continuous or single-point data. You can also download stored data in bulk and export it to Excel with a single click. Elevate your torque tool testing capabilities with the Mark-10 MTT02-50 torque tool tester. Its simplicity, accuracy, and advanced features make it an indispensable tool for production environments. Invest in the MTT02-50 and experience reliable and efficient testing of your torque tools.